The allure of vidIQ was hard to resist. Everywhere I looked, YouTube, social media, people were raving about it. I took the leap. What followed was a saga that even Hollywood couldn't script. Upon my dive into vidIQ, I was instantly thrown into a whirlwind of challenges. Advised to swap Safari for Chrome for a superior experience. I complied, yet Chrome held its own dramas, trapping me in a sign-in loop reminiscent of a film's tragic climax. Patiently, I awaited a hero, customer service. Instead, I was met with indifference. My concerns reduced to mere trivialities. My appeal for a refund after 5 hours of using vidIQ and paying $49 was bluntly rejected. The glaring issues I faced. Then came the twist, a cancellation without consent, giving me access to a service that seemed more cursed than boomed. What caused me to sign up for vidIQ? Everybody's raving about their affiliate program. The one thing that they don't tell you is if you have X number of people that sign up using your affiliate link, you get the program for free and you generate residual income for life. So the big YouTubers don't have to worry about losing because it's free and it's money in their pocket. Hurt and disillusioned, I took to Google and social media. My story resonated. Night had fallen, and as the clock struck midnight, seriously, a ray of hope appeared in my inbox. From the depths of vidIQ, Yulia emerged, an apology, a refund, and an offer. Their attempt at redemption was genuine, yet the damage was done. My journey had been long and arduous. The Chrome sign-in loop, still my nemesis. I am grateful that they refunded the $49, but my issue is why couldn't have customer service done that initially? Why did it take for me to posting a review on Google and posting a review on their Facebook page and commenting under a few of their Instagram posts? Is that when they saw, oh, he has 40,000 followers on Instagram, maybe we ought to do something about this? That's the question I'll never know. I am also grateful that they offered me 3 months of the service with a boosted package for free. I wonder, why did it take a public outcry for vidIQ to act? Why must a customer so much of an ordeal? In the end, the allure of vidIQ remains, but its allure is tainted by a tale of tribulations. Would I return? Only time will tell. So I need you to make your own conclusion whether or not you would consider vidIQ.